Are you getting the Office 2007 Library DLL error after the Localized Office 2007 UI Shim update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. Ensure your Office 2007 library environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Office 2007 Library, a generic naming convention used by several non-Microsoft Office suite clones and specialized file converters to provide backward compatibility with the Office 2007 OpenXML formats. If missing, specialized old-world document managers will fail to parse .docx or .xlsx files, typically reporting a filter initialization failure. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The Office 2007 Library DLL library is bundled specifically for Localized Office 2007 UI/Shim operations, and you must run the official setup for the program, encountering the error to repair the broken links and restore the missing data. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Office 2007 library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. A critical reminder, modifying Office 2007 Library DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overwriting essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing Office 2007 library-related system data. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Office 2007 Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support